What happens to your body when you start to eat flax seeds every day? Humans have been using flax seeds as food for thousands of years. But more recent studies have revealed that routinely consuming flaxseed enhances health in several ways. Flax seeds are most frequently used as an ingredient in baked foods like bread or muffins. Its nutty taste makes it the perfect ingredient for shakes or smoothies. Here are 8 flaxseed health benefits supported by science, along with several simple techniques to improve consumption. 1. High in omega-3 fatty acids. The seeds of a plant species that has been grown for generations are called flax seeds. They have been utilized in food, beauty products, and pharmaceuticals. About 30% of the weight of flax seeds is oil, which is made up of triglycerides of omega-3 fatty acids. Let's start by defining omega-3 fatty acids. They are unsaturated fats that support the flexibility and health of our cell membranes. They also affect mood, heart health, skin growth, and many other things. It has been demonstrated that omega-3 fatty acids reduce blood triglyceride levels, lower blood pressure, and increase blood vessel flexibility, all of which are factors in cardiovascular health. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids have an anti-inflammatory impact on the body and can help lower heart disease risk factors including high blood pressure and high cholesterol. Eating flax seeds or fish oil at least twice a week is the best method to consume the necessary levels of omega-3s. Alpha-linolenic acid, a necessary omega-3 fatty acid that the body cannot produce, is abundant in flax seeds. Although alpha-linolenic acid has not received as much research attention as other omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA, it may nevertheless have benefits. The capacity of alpha-linolenic acid to reduce blood levels of triglycerides, which are molecules that transport fat in the blood, is its greatest potential advantage. Although research is mixed on whether reducing triglycerides lowers the risk of heart disease, high levels of triglycerides are linked to an increased risk of heart disease. 2. Potentially lowers blood pressure. It has been demonstrated that flaxseed lowers blood pressure in those with hypertension and in those on blood pressure drugs. Additionally, it aids in preventing people who are susceptible to high blood pressure from getting it. Data from earlier investigations into flax seeds and blood pressure were evaluated by University of Toronto researchers. More than 1,000 people took part in the study. In comparison to control diets without flaxseed, the results demonstrated that ingesting around 50 grams, 1.8 ounces, of ground flaxseed daily for 4 weeks decreased diastolic blood pressure. The bottom figure in a blood pressure measurement is diastolic blood pressure. It displays the effort required by your heart to pump blood via your arteries. Additionally, the researchers discovered that eating 1 ounce or 33 grams of whole flaxseed every day for 4 weeks decreased systolic blood pressure. The highest value in a blood pressure measurement is systolic blood pressure. It displays the pressure that your contracting heart exerts on your arteries. 3. Might assist with weight control. Since of the fiber in flax seeds, you could eat less during the day because you feel satisfied more quickly and for longer. People who frequently overeat during the day or struggle to keep to an exercise regimen because they are too exhausted to exercise may find this to be very beneficial. According to a 2013 research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, persons who are overweight or obese may find it easier to maintain their weight if they consume flaxseed. For 12 weeks, participants in this trial received either 30 grams of milled flaxseed or a placebo. Compared to the placebo group, the flaxseed group saw decreases in body weight, waist circumference, and body fat percentage. According to the study's findings, persons who are overweight or obese may benefit from eating flax seeds to maintain their weight and burn fat deposits. 4. Simple to include in your diet. Including flax seeds in your diet is simple. They can be purchased as whole flax seeds or ground flaxseed meals. Whole seeds can be used as a garnish for salads, yogurt, or porridge. Bread, muffins, and pancake recipes all employ ground flaxseed as a binder and thickening. Blenders and juicers benefit greatly from the addition of flax seeds. Instead of dairy products like milk or yogurt, flaxseed is best ingested with water to maximize vitamin absorption. 5. May help protect against cancer. Men with prostate cancer who took flaxseed oil capsules for 12 weeks had lower prostate-specific antigen levels than those who took olive oil capsules, according to research. A common marker for the advancement of prostate cancer is a prostate-specific antigen. Higher levels are associated with less favorable results for cancer patients receiving therapy. Because they have a high lignin content, flax seeds may help prevent cancer. Lignans are phytoestrogens that may help the body produce less estrogen. A higher risk of breast cancer and other hormone-related malignancies has been associated with high levels of estrogen. Flax seeds can be consumed raw or cooked without the need for preparation. However, if you like them blended rather than whole, you should grind them in a blender or coffee grinder before ingesting them. 6. Rich in fiber. Compared to most plant foods, flax seeds have higher fiber. Constipation, which is one of the main causes of colon cancer, is lessened by soluble fibers. For a diet to be healthy, fiber is crucial. You may receive all the nutrients from the food by eating adequate fiber, and it also helps your body get rid of impurities. Consuming fiber may also lower your chances of obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Depending on the age group, a different dietary requirement for fiber is advised. By soaking flaxseed overnight, you may extract more nutrients from them and lessen the amount of phytic acid that may otherwise contribute to digestive problems like bloating and constipation. Depending on your weight, it is advised to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of flax seeds daily. Try to consume flax seeds or include them in any of your meals or snacks at least twice a week. The recommended dietary requirement for people ages 18 to 50 is 25 grams for women and 38 grams for men, while those ages 51 and above should ingest 20 grams for women and 30 grams for men daily. 7. Rich in nutrients. Phytoestrogens, which are substances with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory characteristics, are present in flax seeds. They also include minerals including potassium, magnesium, iron, and zinc as well as B vitamins. One of the greatest vegetarian sources of protein is flaxseed, which has roughly 25% protein by weight. 2 grams of protein, 1 gram of dietary fiber, and 7 grams of mainly unsaturated fat are all included in 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. You can consume a few tablespoons daily to help you fulfill your daily needs for dietary fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Lignans, which are also found in flax seeds, may help lower the risk of breast cancer. The seeds include a lot of soluble fiber, which lowers blood cholesterol levels. You will feel fuller for a longer period of time after consuming soluble fiber since it dissolves quickly in water and turns into a gel-like material in the stomach. Additionally, flax seeds have insoluble fibers that pull water from the digestive system and aid in the removal of toxins from the body through bowel movements. These small seeds can give your diet more bulk, which can help you feel content and full between meals. While both types of flaxseed have comparable nutritional values, whole flaxseed has more fiber than ground flaxseed. 8. Could reduce cholesterol levels. In addition to preventing cancer, flax seeds may help lower cholesterol levels by preventing the body from absorbing dietary cholesterol. As a result, those who consume meals high in fat and cholesterol, such as meat, poultry, and eggs, might consider flax seeds. By delaying meal digestion and bloodstream absorption, flaxseed lowers blood sugar and cholesterol levels. A recent study suggests that the lignin components in flax seeds are the best dietary fiber for heart health. Consuming flaxseed for 6 weeks reduced total and cholesterol levels by 10%, according to the study's findings. Flaxseed lowered total and cholesterol levels by 13 to 20% more than exercise alone. Therefore, the advantages were much larger when flaxseed and activity were combined. Additionally, when ingested regularly for at least 3 months, flax seeds have been demonstrated to lower cholesterol levels. According to one study, consuming 30 grams of milled flaxseed daily for 4 weeks while eating a high-carb diet significantly reduced cholesterol levels compared to those who did not. According to a different study, consuming 5 grams of ground flaxseed every day for 3 months decreased total cholesterol levels by 12%. And raised levels of good cholesterol by 12% in comparison to people who did not consume any flaxseed supplements. Due to their fiber, minerals, and possible health advantages, flax seeds are a fantastic dietary source. They are also simple to incorporate into the diets of many people. Consider consuming flaxseed meals if you dislike the flavor of ground flax seeds or find them to be too difficult to prepare. It's a simple method to get all the health advantages without experiencing any drawbacks. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the like button and share it with your friends. For more secrets and tips, subscribe to the channel. Before you go, we have handpicked 2 videos that will significantly benefit you. Click the videos to watch. See you in the next video.